In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Snipping tool to take screenshots in Windows 10. It has been around since Windows Vista and offers much greater functionality than the print screen tool, which is limited to just taking a screenshot of the entire screen. To open the Snipping tool in Windows 10, we want to first click on the Start button and then type in the word Snip. From here, we will click on the Snipping tool. The Snipping tool has several modes. First, we will take a look at the rectangular snip mode. This is the default mode and perhaps the most useful. Now we will click on New Snip. The next step is to draw a rectangle over the area you wish to select. As you can see, the area that was inside the rectangle has now been captured. Now to save the file, we will go to File, Save As. From here, I will rename the file to that of my choosing. You can also choose the type of image file that you are going to save to. I am going to use PNG for this example. From here, I just press Save. Now we will take a look at the file that we saved. As you can see, our screenshot was captured and saved successfully. Now I am going to show you how to use the freeform snip option. To use the freeform snip option, we simply trace around the area we wish to select. We also have the window snip mode. To use this function, we simply go to Mode and choose Window Snip. From here, all we have to do is click on the window that we would like to take a screenshot of. These are the basics on using the Snipping tool in Windows 10. If you got value out of this video, please consider dropping a like.